We are not going to entertain the fear around charging because people pay attention to what they pay for. And today, the worst communities are free. Here's the simplest way to think about pricing. Now, I will say, this is pricing that works on a mighty network. When we look across our platform, the average price is $48 a month. So that is where we're going to start. So $48 a month, $480 a year, because you'd like to give people a couple months free when they buy an annual membership. And I am a big believer in annual memberships and happen to have a lot of data that backs me up. People who are on annual mighty plans are seeing 41% more revenue than those who are on monthly plans. Because when you're on a monthly plan, your mindset is this thing going to work? Whereas when you commit to something annually, people pay attention to what they pay for, they make the investment, they're going to be better members. So here's how you adjust for your specific ideal member, your specific purpose. First, $48 a month, you adjust for results. What is it worth to your member to have their best year ever? If somebody is going to get a raise by being a better engineering leader than they are today, that could be $20,000 a year in terms of an increase in salary. That means that your community is worth significantly more than $48 a month to that member. If they're able to achieve those results are quantifiable. Adjust for replacement. What is the investment in your community replacing? It might replace a book. It might replace another training somebody's going to do. It might replace going back to school for something that is much, much, much more expensive. Finally, adjust for respect. What do I mean by respect? People pay attention to what they pay for. When they are not paying for something, they do not value it. And that actually also goes for you. So if you're charging $5 a month instead of $48 a month, first of all, people are going to just want more and more stuff from you anyways. And you may not actually respect it in the same way. That's how you get to your price. It's very straightforward. So, No Bad Dogs official club. This is for dog lovers searching for at-home dog training options. They charge $39 a month, and then they also have a $20 a month recall training. Why can they charge $39 a month? How did they make that adjustment? So number one, it replaces the $500 or $1,000 couch your dog eats because they're not trained. Or the $2,000 board and train option that is not at-home training. And finally, at $39 a month, you are paying attention. The Moto Academy, this is for motorcycle enthusiasts. They are $99 a month with an annual option of $999 a year. What is the result that those riders want? They want to have confidence. They want to make sure that they are safe and they are the kind of person that their friends ask to lead a ride. They are replacing that $800 training session, but it's one and done. It's expensive enough where you're going to take it seriously, which means you're taking your safety seriously and they're able to offer more and more value. Good Soil HQ, this is for business owners who are ready to start a new venture. $140 a month or $1,500 a year plus $499 to go to an in-person event. Imagine being able to save money on the mistakes you didn't make. And they quantify it to be about $50,000 of potential mistakes that they will help you avoid. It replaces a $25,000 executive coach or consultant that you would otherwise be paying for accountability. When you can do it in the context of a community, it also means you can get accountability from more people. Finally, that respect piece, $140 a month, is going to make sure that every member is paying attention. These are examples that start at $48, adjust up or down for results, for replacement, and for respect, for you to invest in the community and for your members to pay attention. Watch the video here to learn how.